Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. As you can see, I'm in my office for a very simple reason. I'm not cooking today. Last night, I had something slated to prepare for Robin and I, but I wasn't feeling well, and I'll get to that in a little bit. So last night, I had Robin bring home something we haven't had in probably a year and a half. And that is, believe it or not, Wiener Schnitzel, chili dogs, and French fries, and corn dog bites. I don't know why, but I like the French fries. I'm not saying they're the best, but there's something about them. I don't know. So Robin, very shortly, will be headed to Oakland. She has an overnight because she has a meeting this evening, and she has a meeting that's going to last for several hours tomorrow. So I won't see her until tomorrow evening. Yeah. So I have plenty of leftovers. I got chili dogs. And I have other things. I have some soup, and I have some other goodies that I can dig into. I'm not going to starve. So for the next couple of days, I'm not cooking. I'll pick it back up on Sunday. And I have next week's menu. And so I'm going to pick up with what I was supposed to cook last night, and that is the Southern breakfast enchiladas with sausage gravy. Yeah. On Monday, I'm going to be doing a zucchini soup because I'm trying to get the soup recipes in. So I will definitely be hitting the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market tomorrow morning, looking for zucchini and a few other little items. Then on Tuesday, I'm doing a creamy chicken stroganoff, which will be served with egg noodles. And then on Wednesday, a special occasion, Werner's meatballs. Why it's special is because I'm actually making and preparing the meatballs. I'm basing the meatballs on my mother's original recipe, which is ground meat, grated onion, grated potato, herbs, spices, yada, 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 yada. So I'm actually going to do the meatballs from scratch, not frozen. We'll be serving that over mashed potatoes. So yeah, I'm turning it into a meal, not an appetizer. The next day, which is Thursday, lemon shrimp orzo with asparagus. If I can get the asparagus, I'm pretty sure I can. And then after that, on Friday, is butter chicken. This is one of Robin's favorite meals, and I have a dilemma with this recipe because it calls for plain yogurt. Yes, I can find the plain yogurt. It's really funny because it's plain yogurt full fat. You can't find full fat yogurt. No, too many health conscious people. But the problem with the plain yogurt is you have to buy it in a large old tub. I need like a half cup. So if you have any suggestions on either substitution, I don't care if it's no fat, low fat, full fat, I'm looking for a solution to do a substitution on the plain yogurt. I thought about using Greek, but Robin pointed out the last time I thought about using Greek is Greek yogurt tastes different. It has more pungent. And this is a true Indian dish. Okay, so that's next week. Now, things are subject to change. There's a possibility that Robin has to lead and help do a training next week. So, yeah. Now, the big thing, and the reason why I'm doing this from my office, because I'm a little more comfortable doing this from my office, it's my mental health. My mental health has not been very good for the last several weeks. Mostly depression, going through spouts of anxiety. Yeah. So my moderators have done a fantastic job. As a matter of fact, I just brought on another new moderator to help out. So all your prayers and your good thoughts are very welcome. So this is one of the reasons why I have chosen Project Semicolon as my charity of choice, my nonprofit of choice for the profits of the profits from the sale of the cookbook. And as some of you have seen, I am playing with the idea of casual chef merchandise. Again, the profits from the sale will go to Project Semicolon. I have brought on several people that are just longtime friends of mine who are helping me get out into the book, especially get the book out into stores and other outlets and so forth. And we're starting to work on that very diligently. Book sales have slidden off. It's not been a good week, but it's okay. I have created an account on Etsy, so the book is now available on Etsy, both hardback and paperback. And I'm working on eBay. eBay is a little weird. I'm still trying to navigate through that. But of course, we're still on Amazon and we are on Barnes & Noble. I'm trying to keep the pricing comparable across all the platforms. So on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.